Welcome to this tutorial for conducting records with your BAQUEANO Pro Trove Unique. We will start with turning on the reader, which is done by pressing the red button on the keyboard. Once turned on, the screen will prompt us to configure the session. To do this, press OK and make the necessary configurations. Press the green OK button and the first thing to enter is the name we will use to identify the session. In this case, we will use Camel. After this, select the task to perform. You will see Just Read and AID by Bluetooth as available options among others. To start reading, press the yellow button once and the red light will turn on. While it's on, it will be emitting a signal for about 10 seconds. And if you press the OK button while the red light is on, the continuous reading mode will be activated. This small black device is the subcutaneous chip that is injected into the animals. Remember, the movement of the reader as a sweep, it is very important to maximize its range, and that the recommendation is to use the upper part of the antenna for the best performance. This is the best way to collect all your records.